Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure Fan. This process is straightforward, ensuring your digital assets are accessible for gaming and transactions. We'll cover each step to get you set up quickly and securely. You'll learn how to initiate the connection from Treasure Fan, authorize it within Trust Wallet, and confirm everything is working correctly. Let's dive in and get your wallets linked. Once you select Trust Wallet, a prompt will appear on your phone asking for authorization. It's crucial to review the permissions Treasure Fan requests to ensure you're comfortable with them. After confirming, Trust Wallet will process the connection. This step links your wallet securely, allowing seamless interaction between the two applications. You'll receive a confirmation message once the connection is successful. On another note, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And for bringing your space to life, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine asking it to play your favorite gaming soundtrack while you manage your Treasure Fan assets. It's a fantastic way to enhance your digital experience. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Treasure Fan and Trust Wallet applications are running their latest versions. A stable internet connection is also vital for a smooth process. Sometimes, clearing the app cache on your device can resolve minor glitches. If problems continue, try restarting your device. These simple steps often fix most common connection difficulties, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.